Hi, I'm Rob the Ranger, but you're not here to see me, you're here to see the animals. So here we go.
Just like cats at home.
Just wonder why they're hanging around up here and they've got smelly buffaloes everywhere. Yeah, it's they might needs to be loose enough that they can swallow.
Yeah, that's right, but it can't be too loose that you snag it and get out of it.
Mm.
Look at that.
Station's right. You can thank guides from the east.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah. We're moving back because he's moving in.
Sort of rain from that vintage there, is she bumbling back? Yeah, is she going towards the car, Donna? Sorry guys, these are vehicles cautious at North Sunday. Yeah, I think you might get a decent view or a view from the closest spot looking at that angle.
Rubbish.
No, I don't have any visual.
Don't get it.
Oh,
Rob, go come.
more comfortable.
Hello? GoPro? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed that. If you did, please feel free to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. You can also follow me on all the social networks with the hashtag #NowFilming for live updates from Safari.